Some of you are probably wondering how my tiny house adventure's going. Let's enter and have a look at the progress so far. It's the dog-proof fence. Very much appreciated. Here's my little seed raising plot. This is still in the box splashback with a beautiful blue colour, like this kind of pale blue, that's going to go in my kitchen. This is a very happy little cat. Nice little area here that I do my washing sometimes. It's a bit of a hokey internet because being under a lot of concrete and rocks and soil, the internet and reception inside isn't fantastic. So I have to hang up my little modem outside. This is going to have a deck over it soon. You won't see the raw concrete. And coming in, we have our travertine tiles. We have an under sleeping platform storage area, including little dog's cave. And I have a wardrobe here I've just installed. Works very well. Still needs a cover on top of it, so similar to this one, just to hide everything and keep the dust off. But you know, so far so good. Very happy with it. Here's the fridge, and you can see I've got my special little things that remind me of my beautiful family. I've got all this really lightweight furniture that I can use. I can just put that by the bench and, you know, tap away on my keyboard here. This is my charging station. This is something I got from Bunnings to keep the mozzies away. Works quite well, actually. This is the lights on off. There's a fan. Fan works up the top there. That's going to be replaced with a skylight pretty soon. And this is where the splashback's going. So that beautiful blue glass splashback, you have to imagine being here. Up there. And I'm going to be making some nut milk or oat milk this weekend. Can't wait to try it. It doubles as a kettle. I didn't know, so I was pleasantly surprised. I don't need to buy a kettle. I've got one here. This is my special fantastic frother that Tennille and Elam gave me for my hot chocolates. Use it a lot, love it. And there's toaster. I've got an induction stove, so it's just a portable one that I plug in with my correct induction pot. I burnt the first little pan that I tried and I had to throw it out, but luckily it was just a $9 special. And I do, I'm pretty lazy now. I just do my veggies usually at night in that microwave. Or if I'm feeling more domesticated, I will do a hot pot with my trusty all-in-one instant hot water. Hot water is just here, so it's just really boiling hot as soon as I need it. And I need a cupboard door on here. Just need to get that from Bunnings. So I've got storage in here and pantry. I've got, you know, all my plates and crockery and stuff in there. And this is a really handy thing I got from a recycling centre. I just put my towels, etc. on. Now, this is my shower, but it's fantastic. I love this. It's one of the best features of the place. Because it's so close to the hot water system, it's just as hot as I need it. I'm quite happy here. This is my bed. So at night, I'm in here like a little Arabian Nights princess, and I have this across. Put my mozzie thing on, and there you go. It's really quite cozy. It's watertight, so there's no rain that's come in yet. And there you go. That's the tour.